Hey guys, what's up? It's me Sahim from SahimTech, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to clear up your Google Drive or your Google account storage. Now lately you've gone to Gmail and there's a huge notification on the top which says that your storage is full and you have to buy more storage from Google's storage plans. So let me just head on over to Google and then open up Gmail from the account I created, and now I'm gonna show you how it's gonna look like, how the message looks like. So let me just head on over to Gmail. Let me just quickly switch to the other account which I created. This is my default one, so I'm opening up the other one, which I on purpose uploaded really big huge GB files which were like 3 GB 2 GB stuff files, and I just uploaded onto Google Drive to fill up my storage. And right now you can see I have this message right here which says you're running low on storage space, try freeing up space or purchase additional storage. So let me just click on purchase. Now let's see the plans. So here you can see that it says you have used 99% of your free storage, and most of them are Google Drive, and none of them have gone to Gmail because I only uploaded using Google Drive and I didn't even use Google Photos, but it's not a big deal. Anyway, now here you can see this is the plans which you can choose if you want to pay for your storage, like 100 GB. Google by default gives you 15 GB free of storage, so if you use it up then you have to clear up your storage. So that's what we're going to do in this video. We're going to be freeing up our storage and get back some more free storage. So let's get started. So first of all, just click on the Google Drive arrow right here, the small arrow. Once you have gone to Gmail, you have to scroll down, and then here you will find the bar which says that 15.1 or whatever number of 15 GB 100% is used. So all you're going to do is just click on that and then wait for the Google One storage to open up. Now here, just find Google Drive right here as you can see, and then click on the small arrow. Once you're done, just wait for Google Drive to open up. And as you can see here, these are all the random files I uploaded onto Google Drive so that I can fill up the storage and show you guys how to free up. Now your page might look something like this. You can see these are all the files I uploaded, like all those random background images and my YouTube channel banner and all of those stuff like that. Okay, so now let's free up some storage. Now first of all, you have to click on the left side where you can see storage 99% or whatever percent full. And then after you've clicked on that, it will open up this page where you can see all the files that are there on your Google Drive, starting from the biggest file on your Google Drive. So you can click on this arrow to start it from the smallest file, or you can just click on the arrow again so that it shows up. It shows the files from biggest to small. So if you click on that again, it's now from smallest, which is 0 bytes, to 3 GB. So if you click on that again, this time it's now 3 GB, which is the biggest file on my Google Drive, to the smallest file, which I guess is 0 bytes or something. Okay, so first of all, let's start deleting the files which are the biggest ones. So here I have a 3 GB file, so I'm clicking on that, and then I'm just right clicking and then clicking on remove. Now it's going to take a long time because you have to click one by one, delete and stuff. So select one file, hold the control key on your keyboard, and then continue selecting by clicking on the files you want to delete. So let me just start deleting these double files which I have. You can see I have a lot of video files and stuff which I don't of course need. So I'm going to select and delete the files that are there in double. So now let's delete these two right now. So let's go down. Let's see what else we can delete from here. Okay, so these are all my older videos which I had uploaded on the channel. Let's see if we have more. Oh yeah, look at this. Look at the number of pictures that I've selected here. So just continue selecting all the files you don't need. Make sure you start from the biggest file so you clear up a huge chunk of storage. So I'm just delete all of this because I already have it on a hard disk which I have. So I don't need all of these to be in my Google Drive because I've safely backed them up on a hard disk. So once you're done selecting the files you don't want, they're unnecessary, right click on it and then just click on remove, or just click on the icon right here. Wait for it to remove the whole big chunk you've selected. And while it's doing its thing, just head back to your Gmail and scroll down and you'll find the same thing here. Just click on that and then open up Google One so you can see how much we have still. So now earlier we had 15 GB and now it's 14.99 GB. Now as you can see, it has completed deleting all the files. So let me just go back to the Google OneDrive storage and refresh the page. So now let's see what it shows. It's still showing 14.99. So let's delete some more. So now let me just click on this icon again and let's see the biggest file. Now we only have small MB files. So let me just scroll all the way down to here, okay? Let me just select all of these. Okay, that's selecting. It might lag a bit because it has to select all of them right from the cloud Google Drive, so just delete it. So let's wait for it to complete deleting. And you can see it has deleted that huge chunk. Now let's head back to Google One, reload the page again. And still it says 14.99. So I guess we'll have to still start deleting some more chunks. Let me just close this and reload the Gmail page and let's see how much it shows here. Now, even though you're deleting all of these files, it's still showing 99% full or something like that. Now, what is the freaking reason? Well, that's because all of these files are not right now being completely deleted. They're all being stored in the trash section. So if you click on this trash, you can see all the files we deleted are right now here. So now that's not what we want. We want to delete it completely. We don't want that dumb message to be there forever. So just click on empty trash right here and then click delete forever. And then after you've done that, head back to your Gmail, click on the small arrow again, and then you'll find some kind of improvement on your storage page right here. If it's not showing any improvement, just wait, just reload the page and just wait for it to load up so that it shows up right here. So while that's still doing it, let's delete some more of these files. Head back to this storage. Oh yeah, you can see it says 40.1 MB. So a huge lot of files have been deleted. So I'm just reload the page right here. And as you can see, we have deleted a huge amount of space and now it's almost empty. Just 0.02 GB of files are there. That's like, now here it says 40 MB. So let's also delete these because I really don't want this to Google account anyway. I just created it just to show you guys. And I just went back to my Gmail again, to this account's Gmail, and like I said, it's right now showing 0.05 GB, just like, and it's almost empty the whole bar. So let me just select all these 250 items, I guess, and And yeah guys, we're done with this tutorial. As you can see, I've deleted a huge amount of files. The most files which were taking up the space was the 3 GB and those 700 MB files. And now you can see I have just used up 0.03 of my whole space, and 0.02 GB of those space is from Google Drive, which is a few images which I haven't deleted yet, and also some emails which I also on purpose filled up by signing up to different newsletters, so that I get daily news from these newsletters every day. So you can see I have over 204 emails on total, but even though I have a lot of emails, it hasn't yet filled up my Gmail. I guess only 0.01%, 0.01 GB of it. So guys, that's all. Yeah, we were done cleaning up some storage, and now if it shows for you that you have a lot of space taken up on Gmail than Google Drive, then just head back to your inbox and then just click on the boxes one by one, and you can delete all the ones you don't need. So let me just delete this whole page right here so that I delete like 100 of them. So shift, oh, I didn't select them properly. Okay, so shift, why is it not working? Let me just click on this box so it selects them all. So now let me just delete them, and you'll find all those emails being deleted just in one go. So you can see, you can even select all the conversations, like all the emails if you want. Let me just keep it just like that. And yeah, now even if it still shows you that your storage is full, that means that your spam or draft or sent page is full, so just check them out as well. Just head back to my spam page, and I don't have any spam here. Trash, I have a lot, I guess. Yeah, so let me just empty the trash, and then that will free up some space as well. You can head on over to this page, which is the Google Drive, Google One storage place, which you can find by going to the inbox, scrolling down, and you will find this bar right here. Just all you gotta do is just click on that, and then you can just delete some unnecessary files from Google Drive or Gmail or Google Photos, even if you store photos on Google Photos. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, make sure to give this video a like and share with your friends. And if you have any queries, you can fill out the SahimTech query and suggestion form. Till then, see you later. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.